Hi, I'm going to demonstrate some things that I've been learning about in my math. So, here we go. First, I'm going to show you how to solve for an unknown. So, right in this problem right here, x is my unknown. So, I'm trying to find out what plus 18 equals 24. So, first I'm going to do 18 minus 18, which is 0. Then I'll do 24 minus 18, which is 6. So now move things down. X equals 6. So that's going to be my answer. So I'm just going to check if I'm right. So 6 plus 18 equals 24. And 6 plus 18 is 24. And 24 equals 24. So now that I've checked that, I know that I'm correct. Okay, so now don't be scared. This just has numbers on it. It's still very simple. So first, you're going to do your 3x minus 3x to give you a 0. And 4x minus 3x is 1x or just x, because all x's have a 1 next to them. So now we have x minus 4 equals 9. So now that this is a negative 4, we're going to add 4 on there to make it 0. And 9 plus 4, 13. So x equals 13. Okay, now let's plug it in to make sure we got it right. So 4 times 13 minus 4 equals 3 times 13 plus 9. So 4 times 13 is 52. So 52 minus 4 equals, so 3 times 13 is 39. 39 plus 9. 52 minus 4 is 48. And 39 plus 9 is 48. So I got my thing correct. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you some things to do with fractions. So first we're going to be adding fractions. So our denominators are the same, so we're not going to add them together. 8 plus 4, so 12 12. That means that you can simplify that to 1 whole. Next, we're going to subtract, but now you see our denominators are different, so we have to put them together. 4 and 6 both meet at 12, so we'll turn the denominator into 12. So we did 4 times 3 to get 12, so we'll do 3 times 3, which will turn this into a 9. Then we did 6 times 2 to get the 12, so we'll do 1 times 2, which is 2. Then you'll do 9 minus 2, which is 7 twelfths. There's your answer. Okay, now we're going to times. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 7 is 63. So we cannot simplify that. So that will be our answer. Okay, so now we have division. So now we can divide, but in this situation, I'm going to do this. So I'm going to times it, but I'm just going to flip this number and then times it. So 7 times 4, and 7 times 4 is 28, and 9 times 1 is 9. So 28 over 9 is going to be our answer. Okay, so now I'm going to do 2 more problems, and then we'll be done. So these problems we'll have to both do with the Pythagorean Theorem. This problem that I'm going to read now, we're going to see if the sides equal a right triangle. So Eddie has a garden with the sides 8, 15, and 17. Is it a right triangle? Okay, so 8 squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared. Okay, I can think of 8 squared off the top of my head, 64, and plus 225. Okay, I'll just have to do 17 times 17. 7 times 7, 49. Times 7 is 7. That's 47. 7 times 1. Okay, so I got 289. So write that down. Okay, so now I'm going to add 225 plus 64 and see if it equals 289. And so I'll do that. $289 equals 289. So this is a right triangle. So this is a right triangle. So Eddie's garden is a right triangle. Okay, this one we're going to find the length of our hypotenuse. So here we go. Ian hiked 18 miles east and 25 miles north. Is it easier to go back to his starting point the way he went, or to directly back in the straight line? So we're going to find the hypotenuse. So we're going to do 18 squared plus 24 squared, 4 squared equals 8 squared, since that's our unknown. So 18 times 18, okay, 1 times 8, and then 4, 12, okay, so 324 is our answer here. 24 squared okay, add that together, and we've got 576. Okay, 324 plus 576. So we'll add those ones together. Okay, so our answer is 900. So 900 equals h squared. Okay, now we're going to get the square root of 900, which is 30. 30 equals h, which is basically h equals 30. So 30 is our line. So 18 plus 24 is 42. So 42 miles or 30 miles? 30 miles. So Ian should go back in a straight line on the hypotenuse of the triangle. And that's all of the math that I have for you today. Thanks for watching.